Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with All-Star Edition, hitch guidance, power front windows with driver express up and down, 10-way power driver seat with lumbar, 120-volt bed-mounted power outlet, auto-locking rear differential, LED cargo area lighting, wireless phone projection, automatic emergency braking, convenience package with power equipment group, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.